Hey guys, Todd from Vapor Hauling Technologies. Today we're going to do some application testing. Application testing is something we do here at Vapor Hauling, and for anybody that's interested, we're going to do a cutaway right now and show you exactly how you can go ahead and get set up to do that.
A brief explanation of what the free application testing program is here at Vapor Hauling Technologies is essentially where you guys can send your parts in, whether it's something like this carburetor or this CNC machine part, and we will actually test on it. We can get surface roughness values for you guys, and we can do all kinds of different abrasives to show you what our machines are capable of. Doesn't matter, send your parts in, we'll test them for you guys. If you want to check it out, go to vaporhaulingtechnologies.com and click the big box in the center.
All right guys, we're back. We've got the parts that the customer sent in, and make sure that when you send your parts in, you send a return label so we can get them back to you. So we've got some bowls off of a Holly carburetor, and the customer's wanting to see what kind of finish we can get on these. So we're gonna throw this in a machine that has glass bead in it and see what kind of finish we can get for it. Not real happy with the finish that gave us with glass bead, so we may go a little bit more aggressive. This finish is a little rougher than I would like for it to be, so let's dry this off and try it with a mixture of glass bead and aluminum oxide. So in just a matter of seconds, it changed the finish from what we were getting out of the glass bead. That's the point in application testing, is so we can make sure we can get the right application with the right machine and the right media and abrasive to give you what you're looking for when you're trying to get that finish. This is what this one started as, and you can see there's a huge difference in those finishes. This one's untouched. Actually, these have been tumbled according to the customer. This is with wet blasting using a mixture of glass bead and aluminum oxide. The importance of sending stuff in for us to do application testing on is so we can find what's going to work best for you. Got a good idea of what that would be, but the application testing dials it in perfectly so we know exactly what will work best for you. So guys, just for another application here, we actually tried this one with our wet soda, and as you can see, the wet soda did absolutely nothing for this. I've got another one I want to try in ceramic bead just to give you an idea of how we go about determining what works best. And I'm going to drop that one in right now and we'll take a look at it. This piece turned out excellent. It's got a great shine to it. The finish looks fantastic. Comparing that to our mixture is a little more of a matte finish, but once that matte finish, if that's what you're looking for, fantastic. For the shinier finish, the ceramic bead is probably your best bet. And again, the soda really did nothing to this, so wouldn't recommend that at all. But again, if you've got parts that you want to see if we can test and find out what'll work best for you, just give us a call. Phone number is 828-220-4983. Thanks for watching.